guys, something amazing happened.
Yeah.
I have found
Hi.
zyleak. Hello, sir.
It's zyleak. It is zyleak.
Whoa, I'm with Young Cat Gaming right now. I'm gonna
Yeah,
try and
hi.
make something. Because that's
Did
the
you-
point of the
that is-
game.
I
I'm
think
not
it's called-
just here
what
to
is
look
that
at
game
zyleak.
even?
I'm here to play the game as well.
What even is the game?
It's called Pocket thing, I think.
Pocket Pirates.
Yeah, it's kind of fun. I'm just gonna...
Have you ever played it before?
This is zyleak, but I'm going to make something right now.
So, you're just gonna go build something when zyleak is right there.
Yeah, because that's rude to just stare.
You see everyone else standing there, right?
Zyleak is running away. Oh well.
You're like, oh yeah, there's zyleak, hey. I'm gonna go build something. That's just ridiculous. You know something?
Oh wait, I know what Pocket Pirates is. It's
You
kind
do-
of like
you do.
Build a Boat for Treasure.
Oh, really? You realize I'm trying to join, right?
You are?
But of course, it's full, like always.
Hello. I can't believe I got in. That was kind of cool.
We just have to wait for some noob to go AFK and leave, and then I'll be in. And then we can both play some strange game we've never played before.
It is like a game I've played before.
Oh, well, what do you do then?
It is like you build a boat and then you go adventuring.
Oh, adventuring in that tiny little area then, huh?
No, not in that tiny little area.
You should probably put a floor.
I have put in my seat. Okay.
You need to put a floor underneath the seat.
Set sail!
Jet,
I am setting sail!
how does that work?
I don't know, but zyleak is there.
You don't even have a floor. I mean, though, why? How? How? You're both gonna break.
No, it's not going to break.
I'm
I'm going on a brochure! I found the brochure!
It destroys rocks. Did you forget?
Well, I'm going on an adventure. I can't believe zyleak is here.
Yeah, we're not even faking.
No, people could tell it's zyleak.
I told you that would break. You and your Bob Ross shirt.
Oh gosh, I cannot escape. Oh my gosh, I can jump around.
Try getting that other piece of wood off of your...
Oh, I'm dead.
You're dead. Yeah, you're right, you're dead. Ask someone to leave so I can possibly get in.
No,
Why?
because I don't want to.
Ask... Just ask someone to leave, please.
Zyleak is
I want
just...
to get in the game with zyleak. Let me... Ask somebody to let me in.
No,
Yes.
no, you didn't come earlier.
I thought you were faking.
I'm not faking.
What are you doing to your ship?
I'm deleting my ship so I can make a better one.
Oh. Okay. Okay, cool. Send a friend request to zyleak.
I did. He declined it.
Follow zyleak then.
I already am.
There's no symbol beside it for that then, though. So click on zyleak's name.
Nah, I'm not going to.
Why?
Because it's just cool to see him in a server. He's just
Okay.
a Roblox player. It's not like he's really famous. He just plays Roblox and he makes a game. It's not like he's
One
like...
of the most popular
It's
games
not like
in
he's...
Roblox.
It's not the most popular.
One of the most popular, or it was anyways.
But yeah, he's not. He's just a regular old Roblox player. Oh gosh, my thing.
Fail.
Oh, well, he left.
Oh,
It's kind of cool.
okay.
Oh
I
my
should be
gosh,
joining
I
now.
survived!
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Oh my
This
gosh,
person that left,
you
so I
didn't
can
even
finish
meet
with my-
zyleak. Lol.
I'm so annoyed right now.
Yes.
Okay, well, time to build something.
No, we should play Build a Boat for Treasure. It's more fun.
Oh, okay. I'll go take us into that.
Yay!
Get in my party.
Well, guys, that is all for this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got to meet zyleak. Well, I didn't even talk to him really. I just.
Yeah, you didn't meet
Well, it's
zyleak.
good. It's
You
kind of
just
cool
looked
to
at
see
zyleak and then
somebody.
left.
It's kind of cool to see somebody famous on Roblox. So, yeah. Bye.